In this video, we will learn how to install Composer on Windows 10 operating system. So, Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. In order to start using Composer, you should have PHP installed in your system. So, first, let us see how we can install PHP in our system. After that, we will proceed to Composer installation step. If you already have PHP installed in your system, you can skip this step and proceed to Composer installation. So let us install PHP first. Open your browser and search PHP. Click on this link from php.net, which is the official PHP website. You can see the latest stable version for PHP is 8.4 at the time of making this video. Click download. Scroll down a little bit. Under current stable version PHP 8.4.7, click on Windows Downloads. Two sections are visible here. First one is download section for PHP non-thread safe version. Second is download section for PHP thread safe version. We are going to download the second version, which is the thread safe version of PHP. Click on the zip link under thread safe. This will start downloading PHP, which is around 32 MB. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded zip file. Right click and select extract to folder. So this is the extracted folder. If you open this folder and scroll down, you can locate the PHP executable. Now let us go back. I will rename this folder to a shorter name, say PHP 8.4.7. Right click and copy the folder. Go to C drive, program files, and paste the folder inside program files. Click continue to give permission. Now go inside the folder. What we are going to do is add this path to system path so that we are able to call PHP executable from anywhere inside the system. So select, right click and select copy. Click on the search box, type env. You can see a menu, edit the system environment. Click on that. Under the advanced tab, which is already selected, click on environment variables. Select path and click edit button. Click new, right click and paste the path we have copied. Click OK. Again click OK. OK again. Open a new command prompt. Type this command php space -- version and press enter. You can see PHP version 8.4.7 is installed. Next, we will install Composer. Open a new tab in your browser and search Composer. Click on this link getcomposer.org. Click download. Under the Windows installer section, click download composer setup.exe. This will start downloading composer setup.exe file. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. Double click composer setup.exe file. Click on install for all users, which is recommended. Setup will confirm. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes to confirm. The setup has automatically detected the PHP installation path in the system. Click next. You can leave this and click next. Setup is ready to install. Click install. Setup informs you must open a new command window to start using Composer. Click next. Setup has completed Composer installation. Click finish. Open a new command prompt. Type cmd in search. Click on command prompt. Type this command, composer space -- version, and press enter. You can see Composer version 2.8.9 is installed. You can also type Composer and you will see a list of Composer associated commands. So this means Composer is successfully installed in your system. So in this video you have learned how to install Composer in Windows 10 operating system. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.